and welcome to 1SL, 1NCS, and 1 Peace Assembly. We will learn about celebrations.
Next week, we will be celebrating Deepavali, or as Northern Indians call it, Diwali.
It's a festival celebrated by millions of Hindus and Sikhs across the world. It's always in October or November. Raise your hand if you heard of Diwali or Deepavali. This year, it will be 4th of November. Deepavali means the festival of lights.
Diwali is a festival of new beginning and celebrates light over darkness.
It's celebration good over evil. It's Deepavali, lots of lights, lighting on the candles, lighting on the candles, burning bright. It's Deepavali, everyone. Fireworks and presents,
Lots of fun, lots of fun.
We celebrate Deepavali because of the story of Rama and Sita. Would you like to hear us act it out?
Now it unveils incredible story. Once upon a time, there was a great warrior. His name was Prince Rama.
He had a beautiful wife called Sita. One day, Rama and Sita was kicked out by the house by the king.
Lakshmana, Rama's brother, also joined them.
Oh no! Now we have nowhere to live. What are we going to do?
Don't worry, my love. We will protect you in any danger.
Living nearby was a terrible demon king called Rama. He had 10 heads and 20 arms.
Everyone was frozen from him.
I'm Ravana, the most king evil of the land. One day, Rama kidnapped Sita and took her away on his chariot. Help! Help!
Ha ha ha, no more now! Sita was slaughtered. He left a trail of jewelry for Rama to follow.
Rama and Lakshmana followed the trail of glittering jewelry until they met the monkey king Hanuma, who becomes a friend and agreed to help Sita. Messages were sent to all the monkeys in the world to set out to find Sita.
Monkeys of the world, help me in my quest to find Sita!
After a long search, Hanuman found Sita imprisoned on an island.
There she is across the sea.
The army of monkeys currently island soon all the animals in the lower jungle came to help. For the creatures still, they rushed across and fought to battle. When Rama killed the evil Ravana with a magic arrow, the whole world rejoiced.
Take that, you evil demon!
Hooray! Rama and Sita were reunited. They began their long journey back to find their land.
Everyone lit up lanterns to guide them on their journey back home.
Ever since people light lamps on Deepavali to remember light triumphs over dark
How do you think Hindus celebrate Deepavali?
People like to visit their friends and families and have a tasty feast.
People also enjoy fireworks and sweets too, so it's very popular with children.
Some people also wear fresh flowers or decorate their houses with garlands. Houses and shops are decorated with small oil lamps which are called diyas. I'm rolling it like a basketball.
I put my thumbs into it.
I'm making it smooth. I make lime with this. You may also see Rangoli patterns outside people's houses. They are beautiful patterns created on the floor using rice, sand, and pepper. Here is how our family celebrates. Can you tell us about Deepavali?
So Deepavali is an Indian festival and it's celebrated by Hindus all over the world. It usually falls in the month of October or November. It's not the same date, like how you would have Christmas is the 25th of every December. For Deepavali, the date changes, depends on the moon. So we follow the lunar calendar. And it's a very important festival. We do lots of fun things. We meet families, we meet our friends, we have lots of fun foods to eat. We clean our houses, we wear fancy new clothes, we light firecrackers and we watch fireworks displays. So it's a lot of fun. It's a great festival to spend with your family and with your friends. And we're looking forward to spending it in school as well in a few days.
Good.
Why does your family celebrate this festival?
So we celebrate this festival because we are Hindus, and it's also celebrated by people who are Jains or Sikhs, they also celebrate Deepavali. And it's a new year for us as well. So we wear new clothes on that day. It's a time we go and meet our families, meet the elders in our families to get their blessings, and a time to have a big feast.
Hi, teachers and children of 1SL Dovercourt. Happy Diwali! Today we are going to talk about why we celebrate Diwali and how do we celebrate Diwali. We celebrate Diwali to commemorate Prince Ram's triumphant return to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. He defeated Ravana and rescued his wife Sita.
Hi everyone, I will be talking about how do we celebrate Diwali. So generally for Diwali we go back to India where we have our family, and the usual day starts with cleaning the house and decorating the house. So we decorate the house with garlands and a lot of other decoration material. We also make rangoli, which is again decorated with flowers and different colors. And after we do that, we get ready in our Indian costumes for the puja. Thank you and wish you a very happy Diwali.
Bye!
Bye.
Hi Dovercourt, I'm Kyan, Milan's older brother. Today I'm going to be explaining to you about Diwali. Diwali is a festival all about homecoming, joy, happiness, and lights. It's the time when Ram killed Ravan. Lord Ram being the good guy, Ravan being the bad guy. It's about his prevail of good over evil. At Diwali time, we always play with sparklers and firecrackers. Here are some of them. Moving on, we have Indian sweets, mithai. This one here is specifically called jalebi. It's full of honey and sugar and it tastes great. Here we've got diyas. Diyas represent hope, joy, happiness, and light. Over here, this is our final one, garlands and flowers. They represent beauty and purity. Here we have the traditional clothing of Diwali or Indian festivals, kurtas. Women usually wear saris. During Diwali, all the lights are on and all the lights you have should be set up and candles should be lit. Because Diwali is all about lights. Happy Diwali, everyone!
The way Deepavali is celebrated is through dance. Dancing is good for Deep Diwali. Bollywood dancing is a very popular style of Indian dance. It often sends a message or tells a story. We are going to perform a Diwali dance.
सभी मतवाले मन कहीं कि मैं ले आऊं जाना तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं जान रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई हेलो हेलो तू मुझे दिल लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई छन छन बोले हमने सारी चूड़ियां हाथ बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बेचारी कर ले गल्ला चूड़ियां बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई क्यों ना शिमला बन जाए जो इतनी हो बेताबी नमक का तेरा मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे तू देख तो अज भी दिल पर उड़िए की रजाई के चल जावे हेलो हेलो दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना
We hope you learn something new too. Thank you for watching our assembly. Happy Diwali!